Okay, guys, Bulilit will go in a trampoline right now in a backyard. Look at that. Okay, jump as much as you can. Higher. Higher. Wow, so high. Wow. Look at this kid, guys. He jumped so high. Come on. Jump so high. Come on. Wow, you're doing backwards too? Wow, amazing. Doing back too. Oh yeah, you're dancing too. Good dance. That's all. He's very relaxing si Bulilit, guys. He's having fun today here in a trampoline. That's it. Too much video now. Wow, tired now. Look at this. Napagod na siya. He's so tired. Okay, come on, guys. Jump. More. Oh, there's an airplane here, guys. Airplane. I will show you the airplane over there in the sky. Where is it? Our sky. Oh, I don't see because lots of leaves, guys. Sorry about that, guys. And we are making a fire here. Look at that. Tapos, we are eating sausage and short rib. Andun si Bulilit. Oh, napagod na siya. Okay, bye-bye. See you.